Hello, my name is Michael Wineflash, one of the account managers here at Malili, and in this video we will be going over how to do Excel quality control on redacted documents. Once you have navigated to your Excel document with your redactions, you will need to open the Blackout Markup Review pane. This is located in the bottom left here with the B button. Once it is clicked, you will open up the Blackout Review pane. Here you can see all our redactions. To approve or reject a redaction, it simply is checking the check mark or clicking on the X mark. By clicking X, you will be rejecting a redaction and it will be removed from the document. After a quick refresh, we can see that the redactions have been removed. In this pane, you can also filter on these various columns so you can see and review redactions easier. If you wish to filter by a redaction type, you can choose any option here. You can also filter on rules that were done in an automated Excel project. In the event the document has failed markups, a document can't be modified further when a markup failure occurs. Failed markups must be resolved or deleted to continue QC or applying new markups to a document. When this occurs, a warning message will appear. I hope this video has been of some help to you. If you have any questions, please visit our support site or email us at support@malili.com.